Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable pop-ups in Google Chrome here. So pop-ups can be useful for certain use for your application. So first you need to open your Google Chrome. Then you need to click on this three-dot menu. Click on this in the right corner. Then open up the settings option. Click on settings. After opening the settings, in the left here you have to click on privacy and security. After opening the privacy and security, just go down and click on site settings. Then you need to go down and find the pop-ups and redirects option. And here you can find the option called sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. So you just need to choose this option and your sites can now allow the pop-ups option. Or if you want to just allow pop-ups in a specific website, you can just check this allow to send pop-ups and use redirects, click on add, and just add the website link here and click add, and that's it. So that's it guys, this is how you can allow pop-ups in Google Chrome. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.